It's Allo class. Now today we want to look at organic chemistry, and we want to look at a group of organic chemistry or hydrocarbons which are referred to as polymers. Now polymers are giant hydrocarbons or giant molecules of organic compounds. Now we have two main types of the polymers. We have number one is the natural polymers. Then number two, we have the synthetic polymers. Now natural polymers are formed naturally. They occur in living organisms or living matter. For example, we can mention the natural form of polymers. We have starch, we have proteins, we have also the rubber, we have latex. Now starch occur in two forms majorly, that is we have amylopectin and amylose. Now amylopectin is formed when many glucose molecules come together in a straight chain, whereas the amylose are formed when the glucose molecules come together in a branch kind of a chain, of course through the bonding, the kind of covalent bond referred to as the whole glycosidic bond. Now proteins are also another group of natural polymers. Proteins are formed when amino acids linked among themselves through a peptide bond, again another type of covalent bond. Rubbers, these are hydrocarbons which are formed when several molecules of hydrocarbons come together. The same thing applies to the latex. Now I want us to look at the formation of polymers. How are polymers formed? Formation of polymers. How are polymers formed? Now polymers are formed in two main reactions or two main ways. Now number one is called what we call the addition reaction, or addition, we can call it addition polymerization. Then number two, we have condensation polymerization. Now as we had said that polymers are formed through a reaction referred to as polymerization. Now in the addition reaction, the monomers come together to form polymers. Okay, poly actually means many. When you talk about poly, many. Merization, linkage. Okay, so when you talk about polymerization, you're talking about many monomers coming together to form a long or a giant molecule referred to as a polymer. Now in addition polymerization, example that we can give is the formation of a polymer which is called polythene. Okay. Now, for example, I want us to look at ethene. When you add ethene plus another ethene molecule, polymolecule, plus another ethene and then we continue in our chain, joining these polymer molecules together, we are going to form a polymer, which is called polyethene. Now, how do we form polyethene? How do we form polyethene? Now, polyethene is formed in this way. Polyethene. Now, we have the ethene plus another ethene plus another ethene plus another ethene. You can see that ethene is an alkene. As you are aware, alkenes are unsaturated hydrocarbons having double bond. So when we add this ethene to another ethene, to another ethene, to another ethene, and we extend our chain, we form a compound referred to as polyethene. That is many ethenes coming together to form one giant molecule, polymer. So this is how we are going to form our compound. Sorry. So we form this compound. It's called the polyethene. This is polyethene. So that is how we form the polyethene, which is a polymer. Polyethene, which is a polymer. Okay? Thank you.